if I look back, like, this was early 2000, so what time ka agar koi bhi puchega, so I think Tata Football Academy was the only academy in the country with the reputation that they have number of players who had already represented the Indian team and also for the senior teams.
जब मैंने TFA ज्वाइन किया था उसके बाद मेरा लाइफ का पूरा चेंजेस हुआ। मैंने आज जो भी बन पाया हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ TFA।
TFA has been in existence since last 30 years. The structure, the way currently it is, you have a senior team which is there with the JFC. You have a reserve team which works very closely with the JFC team again. And then you have the youth teams and the grassroots, wherein we have two residential programs for under 16 and under 18, which is under Tata Football Academy, which has been happening since last 30 years. And it's produced so many players so far.
I've been around in the game for the last 20 years, since my the early 2000. Then I have to really give the credit to Tata Football Academy कि वहाँ पे जहाँ पे that I spent the 4 years was everything, like taught me on the field, off the field, मतलब जो you have to be on time, सबको time पे 10 मिनट पहले 15 मिनट पहले ground पे उतर के ready for the training, क्या खाना नहीं खाना, everything's all set on the dining hall वहाँ पे, attend your whatever tuition classes in the evening, वहाँ पे everything was all set, हमको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता, I just have to play football.
Till date we've graduated about 150 cadets into the leagues, I-leagues and the super leagues and the national team put together. We've done a lot of work at the grassroots level. We've done the football academy, and the next wave obviously is the club, to get into the professional club, and that's where we got in.
जमशेदपुर मेरे लिए हमेशा स्पेशली है क्योंकि मैं TFA का ग्रेजुएट हूँ और स्पेशली जमशेदपुर FC के लिए पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात है क्योंकि whatever I am today because of Tata Football Academy.
Because of TFA, I play India. Before senior also, like Subrotabai, Goromangibai as we name. We look at them. So, and we want to try our best to proud the TFA.
Great move here from Udanta with a left footer, and that's 3-0 India. Absolutely phenomenal goal this.
When I started off as a defensive midfielder. In the meantime, I wanted to play as a centre back also. वो time पे क्या हुआ था कि Indian team में दीपक मोंडोल and महेश गौलिया, two centre back, both of them हमारा वो academy से था. Hostel से निकलने के बाद, like when I got the chance to be part of the senior national team, they are still around. So उनके साथ भी काफी matches खेलने को मिला. So मतलब when I look back, then those good feeling वो जो होता है ना.
ये जो टीम लेने के बाद जो एडवांटेज TFA ग्रेजुएट बॉयज़ को मिलता है, लाइक इफ़ यू डूइंग वेल इन एकेडमीज, you have a direct entry to the Jamshedpur FC, like top league in the India right now. We are playing matches with TFA, we are playing matches with reserve team. From here, if you play ISL, you can get national call-up, you can play in Europe, everybody is watching ISL.
With Atletico, it will just only help us in terms of they are more technically savvy. They're coming from a country and they're doing fairly well. In last 10 years, Atletico has actually grown very well, particularly because of the kind of youth system they have. Our focus was always on development. We also get regular guidance from their Madrid office whenever we need in terms of support. It's been quite a help.
I think the club is making a proper job with these guys. 20 players of TFA and reserve team practice this year sometimes with the first team. We are in touch every day with the first team staff. Vishal, one of our goalkeepers, is working every day with the first team. He will play with the under 18 team, but he's every day working with the first team. And Mandy have signed the professional football contract 1 month ago, and he's ready for play ISL, and he's 17 years old. It's fantastic, no doubt.
The TFA boys now, those are in academy. They have a very good opportunities to show their talent. Now, you have a direct link up. You have your own club. If you're doing well, you can come to the senior team and play. Like you already see in our team, Sandeep Mandi already playing, Mubashir is playing, Rafiq Ali is playing. From TFA, they are directly entered to the senior team. It's a huge thing.
Without any doubt, they are improving his football every day. If we work with them properly, they will become a professional football player, most of them, because they have talent, they are hard workers. They need to work properly in the good direction.
The traction that football has created because of the overall hype and promotions and otherwise talent that we're seeing in through ISL and I-League and stuff, I think there'll be more and more people wanting to take this as a career. Even when Tata Football Academy had started way back, it was more with the intention to better the standard of Indian football.
I think those boys in TFA, I just want to tell small things. Work hard, believe in yourself and be honest. You will get your chance, definitely.